Hey everybody, Hank of Love Homestead here. We are getting ready to move the 2 brooder boxes out, and I'm gonna move them around the carport. And we're getting ready to move the rabbits over here. I guess you could call it getting ready for winter in July. So I'm doing some rearranging today. So all of these rabbits here, all these rabbits are going to be put up underneath the carport. So I'm trying to get this done kind of before it gets cooler. That way they're not in the wind when it gets cold. And we are doing that today. And I think these guys, I will be moving this one and this one. I will be moving them away from right here where that opening is. I may eventually put some kind of tarp here so that wind can't come through in the winter. It doesn't take an effect that I have a gaping door right here, but that's fine. Once I get them all in here, I'll be able to sit the fan probably about this far and just let the fan blow in the cool air for them. That's kind of what we got going on right now. I'll make another part of the video whenever I get everything all said and done. Well, I got everybody moved. I did a little changing around. We kept these 2 up top. I put the 2 white ones that were down here over here on this one. Males are still in this one, and all the babies, I separated out the babies, the female babies, that way there's not so many in one cage anymore. So I separated them out, and I still haven't decided where I'm going to put these 2, if I'm going to move them over this direction or not. I might just leave them there, so not quite sure. But I got to fill up the water tanks. The other males that are out underneath the tree right now, I will bring them underneath here. I gotta put trays back in, etc. But we gotta move. I'll be moving the fan up closer to where I'm standing. I'm about right here. So I'll move that fan, that way everybody can get the fan. And then we're gonna throw some water bottles in with everyone, some cool water bottles. And this is how they're gonna be set up from now on. Hopefully, eventually I'll be able to put some kind of tarp maybe in the back area, and then maybe in the front area, maybe for the winter. I'm not quite sure what I could do there. So if anybody has any ideas, y'all let me know. It's not like I can go out and just say, hey, I need a door put here. That's gonna be very expensive. But maybe later on I'll be able to do something like that. That's what we got for the rabbits, guys. Hopefully here pretty soon we'll have a butchering day. That way a whole bunch of these babies will be bigger. I want to be able to do it before winter. I don't want to take all these rabbits into winter. But y'all have a good one. Like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.